Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be looking at the Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals, real force feedback stainless steel paddle shifters, leather steering wheel cover for PS5, PS4, PC by scanning the QR code in the video. Here is the steering wheel. Listen to the sound of the force feedback the steering wheel makes. This steering wheel has 900 degrees steering. Now let's take a look at the pedals. Now let's take a look at the pedals. They are made out of metal and feel really good quality. Let's set it up and take a look at some gameplay. Here I'm playing F123 with the new steering wheel. As I turn the steering wheel, you can really feel the force feedback. It's very tough on your arms. Let's take a closer look at the steering wheel. The leather of the steering wheel feels really good and the buttons work perfectly. On the steering wheel, you have lights telling you when to change gears. The pedals don't move about when you push them because it is heavy. On the steering wheel, it has buttons so you don't have to reconnect your controller to change games. Scan the QR code to get 27% discount when you purchase this steering wheel. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.